sector systemic initiatives. In order to eliminate waste and pollution, the textile and fashion industry needs to focus on 4 principles. Manufacture products that are used more. Clothes made to be made again. Also, they should be made safe. And products should be manufactured with the necessary transparency and traceability. In a circular economy, products should be made to be used more. This means to keep products at their highest value as long as possible, like in rental and re-commerce business models. To manufacture products to last longer. To offer to users the know-how, tools and services to maintain the appeal of the product. Only make products that will be used. To offer virtual alternatives, digital collection or showrooms, where possible. A clothing or textile product needs to be designed and manufactured to be disassembled in an easy way. To avoid landfill, incineration or waste of energy and water. To be supported by a system of collecting and sorting to facilitate reuse, recycling, repairing or composting. A supply chain with recyclable, reusable and compostable packaging. Textile and fashion products should be made from safe, recycled and renewable sources. This means that products and production processes are free from hazardous substances, like certain chemicals and microplastics, and do not discharge them in the environment. The effective use of water, energy and materials throughout the production cycle is controlled. Production is decoupled from consumption of finite resources. Traceability does not only convey the source location, but also the impacts of the product on environment and people. Traceability as a whole pushes for a more transparent textile supply chain. This means to dispose and share information across the complete value chain, including after-use. The ability to trace products, components, materials, but also social and environmental conditions. To dispose information on product specifications, chemicals, sources, production practices at all stages and from all actors in the supply chain. That all information should be accessible, comparable and clear to all actors in the supply chain as well as to the consumer. A profound traceability and transparency have the effect to lower the global textile consumption, uncover false sustainable claims of greenwashing by textile companies, decrease forced labor in textile sectors, conduct a better risk management.